Hey, welcome to Titan Reviews. If you're a marketer, you might have encountered the struggle of increasing your traffic and sales. And yes, this is exactly what Done For You Suite 4.0 is, clearing those struggles. How you can get free targeted buyer traffic in 48 hours or less with a social syndication system. So today we'll be looking at how Done For You Suite 4.0 works and some of the exclusive bonuses you'll be getting as a member, and also some of the things you'll be getting during this special launch period. So without wasting any more of our time, what exactly is Done For You Suite 4.0? This is a brand new platform that allows you to get high quality content syndication for your videos or niche sites without having to do any of the work yourselves. If you're mentioning social syndication almost like 3 times now, what does that actually mean? Here you say social syndication is a way to get your content viewed by as many relevant eyes as possible. In most cases, it is best to have links back to your website embedded in your content so you can increase traffic. And that is what Done For You Suite 4.0 is all about. It will help you generate traffic using social syndication, and I've explained that right now. And the best thing about making use of Done For You Suite 4.0 is that you do not need previous skills or experience to make use of it, and you can be a complete newbie and get results by following the simple steps, 3 simple steps, and I'll be explaining that to you further as we go right into it. So presently we are in the launch period, and you can join for the live demo session which will be coming out next 2 days. Joining the session will allow you to see Joshua Zamora himself make use of Done For You Suite 4.0, showing you some of his best features and how you can make use of this to generate more revenue, get your content seen out there. And you being present at the live demo session, you'll be getting a live attendee discount. So if you want to get access to this right now, there'll be a link in the description to register for the live demo and discount. So looking and going more further, let us see how Done For You works in 3 simple steps. You can watch the video to see for you can watch the demo video to see for yourself how it works. And let me just briefly explain how it works. The first step is you log in. When you see the you log in, and after successful login, you see the dashboard. 7th step is to create a campaign. The campaign will be at the top right corner. So after creating a new campaign, you add your website URL and also add relevant keywords to your campaign. Then after that, Done For You Suite is able to automatically generate content for you through 2 ways. That is by scraping for campaign keywords and also creating niche content using an AI. And the 3rd step, which is really simple, is just hit submit and you are all set to get targeted buyer traffic in 48 hours or less. Getting your content to be seen by more people using social syndication system. So we've seen exactly how it works in 3 simple steps. You've seen how it works in 3 simple steps. Now let us look at some of the exclusive bonuses you'll be getting as a member during this launch period today. So with Done For You, getting Done For You, from the first bonus you'll be getting agency right to Done For You Suite. Bonus 2, sub syndicator feature, 3 licenses. Bonus 3, automatic Done For You video embeds for even faster video rankings. 4th bonus, keyword bootcamp training. 5th bonus, live client attraction bonus training. 6th bonus, perfect optimization blueprint. And the 7th bonus, free access to Spin Rewriter 12 for a full 5 days. So these are one of 7 beautiful bonuses you'll be getting together with joining Done For You Suite 4.0. And of course, you'll be getting an 100% risk-free money back guarantee, so you can have full confidence in joining Done For You Suite today. So the launch is coming up, and you can get access to join the live demo session presently in the next that will be coming up in the 18th of May. So if you want to get access to that, there will be a link in the description. And thank you for watching. See you next time.